the men a long rope.
बस इतना ही कहूँगा कि सारे लोग जानते हैं कि विद्या is an extremely talented actor. So I've had a wonderful time working with her because you always look to work with people who are good at what they do. She's also paid me to say all this. So, am I doing good so far? Okay.
Wonderful working with Farhan. I must say that, of course, I knew his work. I'd watched his films and all of that. But I was very happy I watched Bhag Milkha after our shoot was over.
Something that I learned from this film, there's a wonderful mantra that Saket and the writers have put, which I completely agree with. वो ये है कि जब मैं गलती करता हूँ अपनी शादी में तो मैं सॉरी कहता हूँ और जब मेरी बीवी गलती करती है तब भी मैं ही सॉरी कहता हूँ. So I think that's a very very good mantra.
I like
this.
Way
to ensure a long and fruitful
मैं
happy
कुछ कहूँ?
relationship for all concerned.
गलती का एहसास होना बहुत जरूरी है. And here you get 100 marks.
I'm sorry.
I asked my wife, how shall we take it forward? So she had one simple answer: shut up and stay faithful. I was so busy following the first part of a diktat that I forgot entirely about the second.
Lots of television, twists, turns, and at least 2 times the husband has to die in the show and then bring them back when they need.
This is a movie, and in my real life, I think I should completely avoid answering your question. Well, it is a philosophy that works for some. It doesn't work for others. It doesn't work for me in my personal life. I don't know. I've been married for over 12 years now, so it's a bit late to ask me this question. But I don't know. It's an individual thing. How can I comment on what? We don't have such judgmental opinions on people.
यही है शादी के side effects, and I think it's wonderful to win.
यही problem मुझे सीधे जवाब नहीं देगा.
It's wonderful to win all the time. शादी के बाद वही होता है, आप हमेशा जीतते हैं. वो तो आपको उनसे ही पूछना पड़ेगा. नहीं आपने अच्छा हुआ आपने मुझसे नहीं पूछा. जब औरत झूठ भी बोलती है ना तो आपको समझ में भी नहीं आएगा कि हम झूठ बोल रहे हैं.
The only solution to this is that you allow her to win. You allow her to win on everything, and then you win ultimately.
फिलहाल तो एक सिड मेरे साथ हैं, आप उन्हीं से पूछ लें. इनका भी नाम सिड ही है फिल्म में.
नहीं आपको क्यों लगा मैं मुझे भागने की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी?
सही कहा आपने. अच्छे बुरे सब साइड इफेक्ट्स हैं. आई डोंट नो व्हाट टिप टू गिव यू. मैं खुद एक्सपीरियंस कर रही हूँ फिलहाल, तो इट्स वेरी अर्ली फॉर मी टू गिव एनीवन एनी टिप्स. Just I think be yourself, because women end up losing themselves in a marriage. और ये कभी होना नहीं चाहिए.
Fantastic music. It has blend of all romantic songs and the dance tracks. So it's really good.
मुझे तो लड्डू खाए हुए बहुत टाइम हो गया है. नहीं मैं बिल्कुल नहीं बचा रहा हूँ. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I have to be honest. Touch wood. I'm very happy. तो जब the things are not problematic and not broken, you should not try and fix anything. Marriage eventually is also a relationship between two people. Like anything else is, when you're friends, when you're in a partnership, and everything in life is constantly work in progress. You know, so you are constantly getting to know each other, you're constantly evolving with each other. You know, so at times, of course, no, and not every single day can be an amazing day. There are many amazing days, but at times there are times where you don't see eye to eye on something, or you may not agree.
No, I must say that I found he's a very good actor. He says it very convincingly that you're looking very good according to me. According to him, even first thing in the morning, I'm looking good. So thankfully, but I don't always believe him.
Okay, the second part of the question had nothing to do with the first part. but okay. Thank you for the first part, and now I'll answer yourself. The second part of your question is, like I said when I came onto stage, honestly, as an actor or as a director, when you go onto set, you want to be working with people who are good at what they do, who are hungry about their work, who are also willing to listen and to learn along with you, because everyone is learning on the job. So on that level, she's a very strong performer. She has a great understanding of what she needs to do in a film. And when you're working with somebody like that, you take a lot from them, and that helps you to perform better as well, because you're constantly being challenged. So that's how I felt working with her, and it was truly enjoyable.
पहले यही लगता है कि क्या होगा शादी के बाद. You keep wondering, you keep hoping कि कभी मेरी शादी हो. और शादी के बाद लगता है कि मैंने जल्दी तो नहीं कर दी. मजाक कर रही हूँ, प्लीज ये टीवी पर मत दिखाना.
So पहले के effects हैं कि learning from Vidya, you know, she just got married and she tells me that it's a good thing. So maybe after 5 years, if she yet believes that I'll get into it. अरे मेरी शादी आपके लिए खुशखबरी क्यों है?
I'll tell you what the three things are. Entertainment, entertainment, entertainment. Not to sound too academic about things, you know, but you draw everything from the script, and then you draw it from the atmosphere and environment that's created on set. And you want to feel good about every scene that you're doing, so there's a certain discussion that happens before. You don't want to really over-rehearse comedy, because that can really take away from being in the moment. But it really is, it's a very smartly written script, and a very wittily written, or the dialogues are very, very witty. So, I mean, just kudos to the writers and to Saket.
I'm amazed by his timing. On set, there were times when obviously I'd start laughing at the most inappropriate time, much to, you know, Saket's.
Yeah, we'd break for lunch and come back, and she'd still be sitting and laughing.
That's
Like,
credit
you
or
want us to come back in a
discredit.
couple of hours? I'll just go ahead and
Discredit for that
it's at
goes
the
to
groups.
Farhan. Very honestly, I am a Sachin fan, but I'm not a cricket fan. And I'm going to be in Hyderabad, Bobby Jasus के shooting के लिए. तो मैं यहाँ रहूँगी नहीं, पर टीवी पे देखूँगी जितना देख सकूँ.